Homeowners in Glendale take pride in creating stylish, bright, and welcoming living spaces. One of the most effective ways to transform a room, without major renovations, is by adding custom picture windows. These large, fixed-pane windows frame outdoor scenery, maximize natural light, and bring a sense of openness that instantly elevates any interior. Whether your Glendale home embraces a modern desert aesthetic or a more traditional southwestern feel, custom picture windows offer endless design possibilities. Here's how custom picture window designs can enhance the beauty, comfort, and atmosphere of your Glendale home. A stunning way to bring the outdoors in Glendale is known for its beautiful desert landscapes, palm trees, and striking sunsets. Custom picture windows allow homeowners to take full advantage of these natural views by framing them like artwork on the wall. Unlike standard windows, picture windows are designed without grids or movable parts, providing a cleaner and more expansive view. Benefits include panoramic visibility. A stronger connection to the outdoors. Natural scenery as an interior design feature a sense of calm and openness. Whether facing your backyard oasis, your pool, mountain views, or a palm-lined street, picture windows turn everyday moments into something beautiful. Transforming interiors with natural light. One of the biggest advantages of custom picture windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a home. Glendale's abundant sunshine becomes a design element, brightening your space and making rooms feel larger and more inviting. Homeowners often notice a warmer, more vibrant atmosphere, reduced need for artificial lighting, enhanced color accuracy, and ambiance, a more cheerful and uplifting living space. Natural light also highlights furniture, decor, and architectural features, helping each room showcase its full potential. Design flexibility. For any Glendale home style, custom picture windows can be tailored to complement any architectural design. Whether you're upgrading a contemporary home in Arrowhead Lakes, a ranch-style property, or a cozy home in historic Glendale, picture windows can be crafted in virtually any size or shape. Popular custom design options include floor-to-ceiling picture windows, arch-top or geometric-shaped picture windows paired with casement or awning windows, corner picture windows for sweeping views, horizontal picture windows for modern aesthetics. This design versatility makes picture windows a standout choice for homeowners looking to personalize their space. Creating focal points in key living spaces. Picture windows serve as natural focal points that elevate any room. They draw the eye, add architectural interest, and make spaces feel more polished and intentional. Common installations include living rooms, highlight views and create an inviting gathering area. Dining rooms, add elegance and ambiance for daily meals or entertaining. Bedrooms, enhance relaxation with serene outdoor scenery. Kitchens, brighten cooking and dining spaces with wide open views. Home offices, improve mood and productivity with natural light. Wherever installed, picture windows instantly upgrade the room's aesthetic and atmosphere. Energy-efficient options for Glendale's climate. Because picture windows don't open, they naturally provide a better seal against outdoor temperatures. When paired with energy-efficient glass, they help maintain indoor comfort, even in Glendale's hot desert climate. Features like low-E coatings, gas-filled double or triple pane glass, UV protection, heat-reducing tints help block solar heat, reduce cooling costs, and protect your furniture and decor from sun fading. With these enhancements, homeowners get the beauty of large windows without sacrificing energy efficiency. A modern touch that increases home value. Custom picture windows don't just enhance interiors, they also boost a home's overall value and appeal. Their modern, clean design and energy-efficient performance are highly desirable features for Glendale buyers. Upgraded picture windows can offer a more contemporary appearance, improved curb appeal, increased resale value, a luxurious, high-end interior look. Because picture windows combine beauty and functionality, they're an investment that pays off both visually and financially. A stylish upgrade for Glendale living. Custom picture windows are one of the most effective ways to elevate your Glendale home's interior design. From maximizing natural light to showcasing scenic views and improving energy efficiency, these windows bring both elegance and comfort to any space. If you're ready to brighten your home, open up your living areas, and enjoy the beauty of Glendale from indoors, custom picture windows are an upgrade that will transform your home for years to come.